David Williams is an English comedian, actor, writer and television personality. He was born at St. Teresa's Maternity Hospital in Wimbledon in the London Borough of Merton in 1971. He is the son of Peter Williams, a London transport engineer, and Kathleen Williams, a laboratory technician who worked at Sutton Grammar School. Williams grew up in Banstead, Surrey, specifically in the residential area of Newark, with his mother, father and sister Julie. He was educated at Collingwood Boys' School in Wellington and Reigate Grammar School in Surrey, where he was a contemporary of writer Robert Sherman. He studied at the University of Bristol, where he resided at Manor Hall and graduated with Bachelor of Arts. In 2009, Williams began dating Dutch model Lara Stone. On 20 January 2010, they announced their engagement. Williams proposed to Stone in Los Angeles after her parents had given their blessing to the relationship. On 16 May 2010, the couple were married at Central London's Claridge's Hotel. In December 2012, the couple announced that Stone was pregnant with their first child, and on 6 May 2013, Stone gave birth to their son Alfred. On 9 September 2015, Williams filed for divorce from Stone, citing unreasonable behavior. The couple were granted a decree nisi the next day. The marriage was formally dissolved 6 weeks after the date of filing. Williams was appointed officer of the Order of the British Empire in the 2017 Birthday Honours for services to charity and the arts. His charity works include swimming the English Channel, Strait of Gibraltar and River Thames, raising millions of pounds for the BBC charity Sport Relief. Since 2012, Williams has been a judge on the television talent show competition Britain's Got Talent on ITV. He is also a writer of children's books, having sold more than 37 million copies worldwide. He is one of the fastest growing authors of children's books in the UK. In 2015, Williams starred as Tommy Beresford in the BBC drama series Partners in Crime and wrote and starred in his own sketch comedy series Williams and Friend. He has won the award for Best TV Judge for his work on Britain's Got Talent at the 2015, 2018 and 2019 National Television Awards. Williams played the role of Greville White in the television film Capturing Mary. Williams began writing children's novels in 2008 after securing a contract with the publisher HarperCollins. His books have been translated into 53 languages, and he has been described as the fastest growing children's author in the UK, with a literary style compared to that of Roald Dahl. He began his showbiz career when he was 24 years old and struggled for a few years before finally tasting the success he desired. He wrote and starred in the BBC One sitcom Big School, playing the role of chemistry teacher Keith Charles. He voiced Mr. Lemuel Lind in the 2019 animated film Missing Link. The same year, he played the role of Tobias Quince in the comedy mystery film Murder Mystery. In October 2019, Lucas and Williams announced Little Britain would be returning to BBC Radio 4 on 31st October 2019 for a one-off special entitled Little Brexit. In October 2019, in a video posted on social media, Williams was announced as the new National Television Awards host for 2020, taking over after Dermot O'Leary's 10-year presenting stint.